just like candy. She's so sweet, but you know that it ain't real cherry. Know that it ain't real cherry.
What's up, y'all? It's Keisha. Nice to meet you, and welcome back if you've been here before. And today we're gonna be dyeing my hair blonde, okay? And if you've seen my first video, you can see that my hair was like pitch black. It wasn't like this. That's all I can say. And you know, over time I just got bored with it and I just wanted to dye it. And I used the Cream of Nature Lightest Blonde, and this was the result of me using it one time. And as you can see, it's like really patchy. My roots are still black. The rest of my hair is just brown. And overall, I would say it's like a brown color, brown bronze. And it looks really pretty in the sun. I mean, I don't completely hate it, but it's just really patchy for me. And I just want to try to lift more color up and like try to even it out so it doesn't look so patchy. I'd rather have like more color and dimension. I'm just gonna try to go lighter overall, and I think I'll be happy with the result. And if you want to watch me, oh my gosh, I cannot speak. If you want to watch me dye my hair, please stick around. Please like, comment, and subscribe because it'll help with the algorithm. And you know, your girl is trying to get monetized. Okay, it'll help a lot. All right, so let's just get into the video. So I have 2 boxes of the Cream of Nature Lightest Blonde color. And this comes with the High Lift Booster, which is pretty much bleach. This is the conditioner. And this bottle is the color itself. And for the last bottle, this is 30 volume cream color developer. As you can see, my hair is already sectioned off, and I left the back side out because that's where I was going to start dyeing first. And make sure you have your gloves on before you mix anything, and please read the instructions for yourself, okay? Right here, I'm just adding a little bit of coconut oil on my edges just to protect them a little bit. And here I am starting the process. This stuff is strong, okay? So make sure you're by an open window or you got a fan oscillating, because I kept trying not to sneeze and it was burning up my nose. Also, the reason I'm starting off with the back section is because the last time I dyed my hair, those back pieces were still very dark and I'm not really sure why. So hopefully this time it works. So I ended up taking the top off the developer bottle just because it was easier to get more product out, and I felt like it was just an easier way to distribute the hair dye into my hair. I focused on my bangs last because it was already brighter than the rest of my hair, and for some reason it processes faster than the rest of my hair. So I have a shower cap under this, and then I put my scarf over it, and then I'm gonna set my timer for 30 minutes because that's what I did last time. And yeah, I hope it lifts well, and yeah, fingers crossed, because I still think it's gonna be a little patchy just because I've bought 3 boxes, and I think that was my problem the first time. It's just I ran out of dye. So I was thinking like maybe 2 would be enough this time, but no, I was wrong. I definitely needed more. And then use the last box for my roots. Yeah, that's what I should have done, but oh well. We're just gonna see how this turns out. All right, it's been like 25 minutes. So, see the results. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's still a little patchy, but definitely way blonder. I knew my roots were gonna be really blonde, but it's not bad. I might have to re-dye it in like a few months to get it like my completely desired look, but I'm gonna go wash this out, and then I'm gonna do the moisture rich hair color with shea butter conditioner for the after color. And I'm gonna show you how it looks after I style it. I can tell like right, the midsection is darker than my roots already, but it doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. My hair is still curly, so see you later. All right, fresh out the shower. Oh my gosh. It is still darker than I would have liked it, but let's style it. What I use is the curl. I use the Blueberry Bliss reparative leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use 2 products. Oh my gosh. Coat my hair. And then I use the Multicultural Curls. It's a styling lotion, and it leaves my hair super soft, no crunch. Miss Jessie's, yeah. Still curling up. Okay, my hair's still curling up, so that's a good sign. Do y'all see this? I first took off the shower cap and I looked at it and it looked so uneven, and I'm just like, I don't know how it was gonna turn out, but once my hair is dried up, it's still not as light as I want it to be. Wait, I'm trying to film. What? Yeah. Sorry about that. But look at it. I mean, again, I think I just ran out of dye, so it didn't turn out completely the way I wanted it. And I really don't understand why the bottoms are still super dark, even though I did those first. But overall, I like how it turned out. It is a little dry, but you know, my curls are still intact, and yeah, I'll definitely be doing like protein treatments and deep conditioners, hot oil treatments. I am actually really happy with the way it turned out, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks out in the sun, because this lighting is not doing it its justice, okay? Just hold on. What's up, y'all? This is the result. And I'm on the stairs because there's this really big window up here, and it just has the best lighting in the house. But look how vibrant my hair is, and I was scared because when it was wet, when it was still wet and not styled, I was like, I wasn't really feeling the color, but now that my hair is curly, it's kind of blended in better. I'm sorry that I'm breathing hard. I just ran downstairs to get this. I use this renewing argan oil of Moroccan Weightless healing dry oil, and I just use it to like add shine, especially if my hair is like looking a little dry. It smells really good. I mean, right here is like, the middle part is really bright. But I think I'll do one more go when I ordered some more Creme of Nature Lightest Blonde hair dye, 2 more boxes, and I'm gonna do that. And I think I'm gonna focus more on my ends, because that's where I want it to be the lightest at. And I'll definitely do another video. But I hope you guys like the results. I know I like them. It's actually really cute once it dried up, because when I first took it out the shower cap, I don't know. Now it's cute. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.
Just like candy, she's so sweet, but you know that